And that is one big disadvantage to smaller bikes like this, is the wind is going to push you around. It's just one of those things that over time you just got to get used to. I mean, sure, there's little tricks like tucking and be sure to grip the tank with your knees and all that help, but ultimately it's just a matter of acclimation over time. So anyway, what's up, guys? Been a little while since my last video. Work and life and the weather choosing to cooperate. And of course, we're in the time of year where the weather just so much as twitches, my allergies just go nuts. And this is the first day in like 3 days I've actually felt like getting on the bike. So if I sound stuffy, that's why. But hey, at least I can kind of breathe out of my nostrils again. Nothing real ambitious planned for today, just going into town to run an errand. Also trying out a new microphone setup, see how this turns out. I figure what better day to test that than on a day where it's super windy. Waiting at stoplights is always fun. Well, I wanted to run something by you guys. How would you feel about a series of instructional videos? You know, basic bike operations, how to ride, you know. I mean, I've been riding for nearly 2.5 years at this point. I really don't feel like I'm qualified to give that kind of instruction, but maybe sharing some tips and tricks beyond the basic instruction that helped me along the way. Even I myself am someone who kind of taught himself how to ride by watching others' YouTube videos, but there are some definite pitfalls to going that route that I'd kind of like to address. Anyway, if you think that that sort of content would be interesting, let me know below, and I'll get to work on it. I also thought about doing some bike maintenance type videos. I mean, there's already 1,000 of them up on YouTube as far as oil changes, chain cleaning, and all that goes. But thought about trying my hand at it. Denmark. Thought it was Denmark. Why are Mustang guys like that? And there's another. I mean, see, I was part of the muscle car community myself for a bit. Heck, I own 3 different Challengers, and I still don't get it. I really should have done this earlier in the day. Oh well, it's good practice. Yep, still sounds like a lawnmower. You know, people have asked the questions, why are, after all these years, Kawasaki still building 180 degree parallel twins? It's probably a matter of, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. I mean, sure, 270 degree twins sound better, but this is a matter of the accountants making the decisions. It's just like how the GSXR hasn't been updated in years. Well, if it ain't broke, don't fix it.